Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to study or look at the platform which can make you help understand like how coding works. Okay, basically this platform is known as Scratch. Okay, so this is used by organizations like Bright Champs, which you might have heard, to educate people. Okay, students uh, of different classes, like basically they are for lower classes like 4th, 5th, 6th, etc. But it is a pretty good platform which can help you to understand how you can make games using simple coding. Okay, so first what you can do is go to Google and type Scratch, and whatever first link you can see here, this is the platform. Okay, so basically Scratch, and then you can just start creating. Okay, so this is the platform here. Okay, but I have created one uh, already, one game, simple game, so let's understand that. Okay, so as you can see, when you open this platform, there are many things here. Okay, so I will give you a brief idea of what all things are there here. So basically this is the animation area, or you can call it as a stage. Sorry. And this gives the x and y direction. Okay, so if I change this, as you can see that it changes. So basically it gives the coordinates of x and y. Okay, and 90 is nothing but the direction which your sprite is facing. So here the character whichever you are choosing is nothing but the sprite. Okay, so suppose if I suppose if I change from here, as you can see the direction of sprite changes here. Okay, so this is the direction. Then size also, that is how much size you want. Okay, so basically if it is 3, then size gets smaller. Okay, so let's make it 60, so size gets a little bit bigger, right? So that's how you can control the size, and you can either show or hide the sprite. Okay, you can also name the sprite here. Okay, and stage is nothing but the background area. Okay, sorry, not the background area, this the animation, where the animation works. And backdrop is nothing but sorry, here you can see backdrop, right? So this is nothing but your background. Okay, so what you can do, once you click there, you can search any backdrop from here. Okay, so if I search, select which I need to select, so let's select this Night City. Okay, and let's place this here. Let's keep, sorry, let's go back, because I just need to change the direction here. Let's make it like this. Okay, so that it should walk on the road. Okay, so let's place it here. Okay, so this is the stage area where the animation works, or the your game works, and sprite is nothing but the characters. So basically if I click on sprite here, here, you can choose any sprite here from here. As you can see, there are many sprites here. Okay, so let's choose a car. If there is a car, let's choose a car here. Okay, and let's place it here, and we can delete this. Okay, so let's delete this and let's place it here. Okay, so this is we will try to make it move from here to here and back again here and then here. Okay, so basically here it is the coding area, or the working area. Okay, where you drag these code blocks here, and then you can make these move, or like whatever motion you want to make. Okay, so these are some code blocks. As you can see, there are different code blocks. So code blocks which help us to give motion, then looks, then sound, event, control, sensing, operators, variables, and my blocks. So in these my blocks you can create your own blocks also. Okay, and costume is nothing but you can design your car in different way. Okay, so if I want to paint it in different color, okay, let's paint it in different color. Okay, so let's check this. So you can see the color has changed, right? So in this way you can design the costume here. Sound is nothing but whenever you're clicking on something like this, so whenever you're clicking on this, the sound pops up. Okay, so this will help you in generating sound. So let's come back to a coding area, and then if you want to start a game, you need to start with the event. Okay, so basically when the flag is clicked, that means this is the flag, which will help you to start the game or animation, and this will help you to stop the game. So when this is clicked, we want to move this from here. Okay, so we will go in motion and we want to go so glide from X to Y. Okay, so we want this. Okay, so basically if I click now, so what will happen here is it is not moving. Why? Because it is at same position. Okay, now if I place it here and then if I click it, it will come back here. Okay, so basically these are the coordinates from which it moves. Okay, so we want it to move forward and backwards forever. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll take one control here which is forever, we'll add here, then we will add this here, and then we will duplicate this, we'll place here, and again we will duplicate this, we place here. Okay, suppose you want to remove one of the command, then you can just drag it here. Okay, now what we'll do is it is at this position, this is correct. Now what we'll do is we want it to this position, right? So we'll just note down the coordinates. It is 169 and 68. So it is 68 and this is 169, right? Sorry, this is minus 68. So you can get the coordinates from here. As you can see, it is minus 68 and 169, and we need to back again here, right? So again we will we have this only minus 165 or 168, like that. Okay, so now if I click on this flag, it will move. As you can see, it is moving, right? So after every 1 second it is moving ahead and it is coming back. So this is a simple animation. As you can see, like your animation is working. So whatever code you have written, like you can use for loop, while loop, etc., and you can give the coordinates here, and then you can make your any animation move ahead and back. Okay, so in this way Sprite works. Also there is one more game which it is already done. Okay, so basically what it says is when I click this, the game starts and it goes to a random position here, and when I click it, the score goes on increasing. Okay, so as you can see, when you click this, the score is set to 0 plus. First the code is score is set to 0, then it will go to x0 and y0. So this is the coordinate position where x and y is 0. Okay, so then we are showing a message here, that is click me to score points. Okay, and then in forever what we are doing, we are hiding it for 1 second, and then we are picking a random position from x and y, and then we are showing it again, and then we are waiting it for 0.0 seconds, and then again we are running this in forever loop. Okay, so this is for the sprite. That means when the sprite is clicked, we are increasing the score by 1 and the sound is zoop. Okay, so let's try this. So if I click here, the game has started. Now if I click here, sorry, missed, so score has increased. As you can see, score increases with the sound. Okay, so if you want to stop this game, you can just stop it. So in this way you can make use of the sprite to understand the coding and come up with some creative ideas to do some funny animations and understand the coding. Okay, so this was all about a simple platform which is known as Scratch, used by many education institutions for teaching students. There are some other platforms which are helped in making understand the people how coding works. Okay, so this was all about this Scratch platform. Hope you learned something and understood something. So till then, take care, bye bye.